About to go ahead and go get some gas in the Q50. I rarely drive this car. I only drive it on the weekends mainly. So tomorrow's Friday, so I'm gonna whip it Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Gonna give y'all a quick point of view of the exhaust. So without further ado, I'll give you a quick cold start. Let's get it. So like I said, the last time I drove this car was Sunday of, I guess Sunday starts the week, so of this week. Today is Thursday, tomorrow's gonna be Friday, so I need to get some gas. But I also need to start getting more pictures. So I think it'd be cool to get a little gas station picture of the car. That's gonna be on my Instagram, which is CamsLife12, same as the YouTube channel. Be sure to check it out. We're almost at 500 subscribers. I appreciate y'all, but without further ado, let's get to this stuff that y'all came here for, which is the exhaust. I said Buc-ee's, but I'm running low on fuel already, so I don't think we're going to Buc-ee's. So we're gonna just stop at this gas station right here, get some gas, get back to the house. All right, let's get it. Full tank achieved. This car's thirsty. Should've, I mean, kind of knew that when I bought it. So pretty much I was driving in fourth just to get higher RPM on that because like honestly at idle you can hear it like now. So the reason I was standing in fourth so I could keep it like at 3,000, because that's where you really hear the exhaust. When I first left the house I didn't know that. I mean I knew that, but I was thinking that you can still hear it and do it. But I've read when you run the fuel down on these cars that happens. So I'll go back and see how it does again, because that first takeoff was a little concerning. Like I said, enough with the talking. Let me get y'all what y'all came for. But I appreciate y'all that subscribe to me. It means a lot. Had a little tire spin just there. So the more I drive this, like I always say, I'm starting to like this car more and more. And I see there's more VR30 tunes and things that are coming out that are pushing these cars on pump gas, stock, or I guess pump gas, no bolt-ons. They're now offering tunes for these cars that are keeping them safe within their range, so you're not blowing stuff up. I think I'm gonna look into that if I don't find that project car that I've been looking for. For those of you who keep up with the channel, you know what I mean when I say that project car. If you haven't, you might have to go back, watch a couple videos, try to catch up. Well, oh yeah, we also hit a little milestone today. We hit 2,000 watch hours. That's a lot for me. I don't have a machine behind me pushing me like some of these other bigger guys do. I'm not hated by any means, I'm just putting it out there. Once I make it on, I'm definitely putting my friends on, family. The list is gonna go on and on. Those who have supported me, I will support them back. Most definitely, because without you guys, there will be no Cam's Life 12. But I'm gonna stop, probably get a quick picture of the car, maybe use it as a thumbnail, maybe not. But until next time, Cam's Life 12, thank y'all for watching this. I'm out.